Oh yeah, does
What
it?
about, so prime factor. Actually, we have to discuss prime factor. So when a
Mhm.
number is written in its prime factorization, you write only the prime numbers to show that number. Let me write it here. For example, if you are talking about 4, so 4 could be written as 4 times 1, and 4 could also be written as 2 times 2. Is that right?
Yeah.
But this is not prime factorization.
What do you mean?
This is not prime factors of 4. These two numbers are not prime factors of 4 because they are not prime numbers. When you write prime factors of some number, you only use prime numbers to show that. So this is prime factorization. What is this?
Prime factorization.
Yeah,
Prime factorization.
prime factorization. In prime factorization, you write only the prime numbers to show a multiplication. So 2 is a prime number and 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the prime factorization of 4. If I want you to tell me the prime factorization of 6, what it would be?
3 times 3.
Great. What
That's it.
about 8?
4 times 4.
4 times 2 is not the prime factorization because 4 is not a prime number. So open 4. You can write the prime factors of 4. See, 2,
Is 4 a prime number?
no, it is not. 2
Oh,
times 2 is 4, and then times 2 again. That will make 8, right?
yeah.
So the prime factorization of
What?
8 is 2 times 2 times 2.
Oh, but that's 2, 4, 6.
You're not adding it, you are multiplying.
Oh, so 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8.
Yeah, and you can also write it as 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3. 2 cubed. And you know what are these powers? So I don't think there is any confusion in this.
But where did? Oh yeah, I know. Now there's no confusion. Whatever.
So 8 equals to 2 cubed. The prime factors of 8 is 2 cubed. Another example, tell me the prime factorization of 10.
5, 5.
5 and 5.
5 times 5.
5 times 5 is 25.
5 times 2.
Yeah, tell me the prime factorization of 12.
3 times 3 times 3 times 3.
3 times 3 is 9. And there is no
Three.
way you can get 12 in 9.
I said 3 times 3 times 3. Wait. 3 times. Wait. Times 2 was 4. 4 times 16. Okay.
Look at this.
No, 6. 6. No, 6 times 2.
Okay, I can
6.
write 6 times 2 for you. See, 6 times 2. So 12 equals to 6 times 2. Yeah, I was saying the prime factorization was 6 is 3 times 2, right?
Yeah.
So this is for 6, and then we are multiplying it by 2 again to get 12. Getting it?
Yeah.
This 3 times 2 gives you 6,
And
and
then
6
6 times
times 2.
2 equals 12.
This is how you do the prime factorization of numbers. I'm going to give you another number, 36. Now, your task is to tell me the prime factorization of 36. Write the numbers like 12 times something is 36, and then find out the prime factorization of each number to make it only prime.
12 times 3. 12 times 3.
Mhm.
And how will we make it only prime?
Now you need to write the prime factorization of 12. So open 12.
Bake 12.
See,
Wake 12.
see, 12 and 3. So 3 is already a prime number. So what you do? You see 12. It's 6 times 2. And you see 2. That's 3 times 2. So how many prime numbers you are getting? 3, 2, 2, and 3. So you write it like this. 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. And this is the prime factorization for 36. Now check if this is correct.
How?
Multiply the numbers, the prime factors.
3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 times 8, no, 18, 18 times 2 equals, uh, 20, equals 16, 36.
So yes, this is correct. And before going to fraction, I think we should go to prime factorization topic because since you don't have this, like you don't have the printout, so I think we can just do the prime factorization part. Prime
Are we
factorization.
going to play a game? Are we going to play a game today?
Um, we will not play the game today. We will play it in the next class. Look at this. Look at this picture. See, to find out prime factors, what do? We write number on top like this, and then we make it like a tree. We call it a factor tree.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah, I know. So you take two multiples of 100, 4 and 25. Then you take, oh sorry, you take two factors of 100. 4 and 25 are factors of 100. And then you break those factors down into their simpler forms. 4 is 2 times 2, and 25 is
It's just
5
25.
times
Oh, yeah.
5.
Yeah.
So how many prime numbers we are getting here? They are dragging it to the bottom, so we can just look at the bottom numbers. 2, 2, 5, 5. We have used only the prime numbers in this. So this is the prime factorization of 100. Does it make sense?
Yes. Well, kind of, because I've never seen this before.
Let us do some factor tree exercises so we can.
What does it mean, class 4?
It doesn't matter. Look at this. 8 is 2 times. What should be here?
8 is 2 times 4.
And 4 is.
2.
This is how we write the factor tree. Getting it?
Yeah.
The
This
numbers.
looks more easier. This
Yeah,
looks more easier.
yeah. These are the simpler ones. The number in one
I
single line, they are being multiplied with each other. The number that are in the line. For
I think
28.
I can have this for my homework, like this easy one.
Yeah. 4 times what is 28?
4 times 7.
Now 7 is already a prime number, so we leave it here. But 4 is not a prime number. So we will write the prime factors of 4, that is 2 times 2. So you will keep doing it until you get only the prime numbers in the factor tree. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what is the prime factorization of 28?
7 times 2.
7 times
So,
2 times 2.
yeah.
We have two times. The prime factorization of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 3 times. No. You don't write the 4. You have already opened the 4 and 2 times 2. You don't have to write it. So it's 7 times 2 times 2. We are calling it prime factorization because we can only use prime numbers. Now I will give this worksheet to you in homework.
Okay, but I might take some time because wait, how? It is 2 pages when you put like 23 pages in there. but
Sorry.
I don't have paper, so I'll get it tomorrow. My father will.
Yeah, sure. I'm just sending it so you can just do it
Yeah.
whenever you have time or whenever you have the printout.
Okay. Even next year.
No, 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 not next year.
But how about 81? And this one, I don't feel very comfortable with this one. These two, 40 and 81. I don't know what to do with those.
Oh, look at this. 81. Tell me two factors of 81.
80 and 1.
This cannot be the pair you will need here because 1 is not a prime number. So you cannot take 1. So you will have to tell me some other factors.
40, 41.
We are not adding it. We need to multiply the numbers.
Oh,
9
how to do
times
that?
9 is 81.
Yeah.
Then you break 9,
5
both
and
the
4.
9s. What?
Oh, no, multiply. That's 3, 3.
So you are getting a total of 4 3s. And this is the prime factorization of 81 that says 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Got it?
Yeah.
And if I want to write it in index form, 3 to the power of,
4.
yes, perfect. I don't think there is any confusion. All you have to do is just take that number and find the factors until you get all the factors as prime numbers. Okay?
Okay.
And this whole thing is called prime factor trees. And why do we use prime factor trees? We use them to find prime factors of each number, of some, it could be any number. If you didn't find out the prime factors of any number, you can use prime factor trees. And these are the simpler ones. We can have more complex ones once we just get used to doing this. Okay?
Okay.
If you don't get the printout today or tomorrow, you can just take your notebook, copy these tables in the notebook, and do them and send me a picture of it. Okay?
Okay.